Yeah, we're seeing a lot of our customers move over to low-code solutions. So in the past, they maybe bought a suite or a product off the shelf. We're seeing a lot of people that can build small tools for themselves, which really help them get over the hump, save some money, and also make things more tailored for themselves. So if you have a group of developers or even just experts in areas in your business where they could contribute and make a piece of functionality or replace a product, we encourage that. I think it's great. And I know as myself, as a developer, I like to use low-code solutions or even things like vibe coding or AI tools to help me get my ideas out, or to make a proof of concept, or make a small piece of software that helps achieve a smaller goal. These things are all great, and we want to make sure that when these are developed, they're done in a secure way, in a maintainable way. There's a lot of different challenges there. We want to make sure that there's some longevity to all the apps that are made, or make sure that the next person that comes along will have an easy experience using it without too much documentation. We also do want to make sure that things are secure. There's a lot of heartache over exposing data or making products that maybe leak data outside of your organization. We want to do what we can to help you overcome those challenges and feel comfortable building solutions on Microsoft Power Platform or any other low-code solutions or AI-driven development.